Chica, I have a very important job for you.
What is it, sir?
I need you to take some chickens from Wilbon Yards to Farmer Parsley's farm.
Alright, sir.
But be careful not to wake up the chickens while they're napping, otherwise they're gonna be cranky, and then Farmer Parsley's gonna lose his shit like he did last time.
Okay, sir. I won't wake them up. Alright, guys. Are these my cars?
Yes, they are, Chica. I shunted your cars a while ago, so I think you're gonna be okay, Chica.
Thank you, Barry. Okay, I've got to remember not to scare the chickens. Okay, so far so good and... Huh?
Oh, sorry, did I startle you?
No, not at all.
Oh, alright then. Anyways, I don't think I've seen you around before. My name is Bob. Bob the helicopter.
Oh, I'm Chica. Nice to meet you, Bob.
Well, I think we should probably be getting back to our jobs now. So, I'll see you another time, Chica. And I'll see you another time, Bob.
Oh man, that was way too close for comfort. But thankfully I got past the...
Well, howdy there, Chica. Good to see you again, old girl.
Bonnie? What are you doing here? I thought you were in Michigan.
I was in Michigan, but then after my acting career didn't turn out well, Mr. Richards brought me back to the railway. I tried playing as Mater in the Cars movies, but that didn't go out so well.
Well, it's still good to see you again, Bonnie. Anyways, I have to take these chickens to Fielddale Farm for Farmer Parsley. So, see you later, I guess.
Alright, see you later, Chica. I'll tell the others I'm back as soon as I'm done with my next job.
I will not be scared. I will find a way to keep these chickens asleep till the end of the day. Hey there, Chica. Hello there, Chica. Nice day for it, isn't it? Oh no, the chickens are scared. Oh my, did I do that? I'm sorry, Chica. It's okay, Cod. I feel terrible and I feel badly.
Wait a minute. Something doesn't seem right here. I've heard that phrase before. Oh, have you now, Mr. Diesel? Oh my god! It can't be, it's... Sharon Miller! Surprised to see me, aren't you? Well, I'm back now by the request of my boss, in order to give you all the treatment that the other railway show got. Get out, Sharon Miller. No one needs you here anymore. Exactly, and if you don't leave, I'm going to unleash my bone power and cause chaos to this station. Oh, curses! I'm out of here then. Yeet! Alright, Miller's gone. Thank you, Cod, for your help.
No trouble at all, Chica. But again, sorry for scaring the chickens in the first place.
Oh, it's okay, Cod. Hey, look! The chickens are asleep again! Now I can continue with my job without Sharon Miller causing any more trouble. Thanks for taking good care of the chickens, Chica. No problem, Farmer Parsley. Oh, what's Mr. Richards gonna say about my job today? I would like to say, well done, Chica. You delivered the chickens precisely the way Farmer Parsley wanted. Not to mention you got rid of Sharon Miller. Thank you, sir.
Thanks for getting that scum off the street, Chica.
This was a short as hell episode, but thankfully Miller's gone. Alright, let's see what's in the mail today. Taxes from the IRS. The IRS is gonna kill you and oh my god, no. I never thought this day would come. I never thought this letter would come. Oh my god, no. No. I won't tell them. They can't know. They can't!